Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hey, what's up guys? This is your boy Mufasa here, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how, if you're a beginner, how you're gonna build yourself up until you're able to do like a push-up. Because like I've seen so many people like multiple times they can't like perform like a single push-ups like the proper way. So I can show you how you're gonna do it. And then this exercise also applies to like people who like love doing push-ups. So basically, to do push-ups, just not like you just jump on there and then start like pumping things out. No, it works that way, but it's not more efficient. So to do push-ups, you need to also like warm up and then get your muscles ready before you like perform the exercise. So if this is the first time in my channel, make sure you click the red subscribe button and then you click the bell notification button right next to it. And then if you're already a subscriber, make sure you leave any comment regarding like the past videos or even this video, and then let me know what you want to see more from my videos. Alright, without wasting too much time, let's get to it. So first of all, you're gonna go all fours, which means you're just gonna go on your knees just like this, and then you're just gonna go on low planks, so which is basically just like this. And then you're gonna get up with one hand, 1 and 2, and then you go down with your left, you come back with the left, you go down with the right, you come back with the right. So the purpose of this is to help you engage your triceps, because once you go down, if I do it on sideways, so once you go down and then you coming back up, you're gonna see when you push to push yourself up, you're gonna see like engage the triceps. That's what you want. That's what's gonna engage the tricep and then get you ready to perform the exercise. So that's the first step for this thing. And then now after that, you're just gonna stand up and then put your arms all wide, and then you're gonna do some arm circles. This helps you engage your shoulders, a little bit of your chest, to the point that like when you go down in your push-up positions, it doesn't feel like a little weird. So you're just gonna rotate them forward for a good 30 seconds. Just keep breathing. You're gonna keep breathing in, breathing out. And then after those 30 seconds, you're gonna roll them backward just like this, all the way to 30 seconds. Don't hold your breath. And after that, just put them down, and then you're gonna bring them up and down. Just so this way you don't have to like put your feet together. It doesn't matter however you're gonna be standing, and then feel comfortable, and then make sure that you don't do anything bad to your back. That's the main thing. And then you're gonna feel like some tension in your shoulders. That's what you want. And then after that, you're gonna go back down. You're gonna do it again. So just like this, you go down, up, down, up. Make sure you rotate both arms. You don't keep getting up with only one, because it's not gonna be the same thing. If you keep getting up with the same one, or you keep going down with the same one, it only works that only arm. That's how it works. So make sure you rotate in them so that you can give like a balance in both arms. you get up, we do this again. You do arm circles forward, just like this. You're gonna feel like some stretch in your chest, like right here. You're gonna feel like some tension, and that's how you know that like your muscles are getting warm up, they're getting ready, they're preparing to take whatever you're gonna bring to them. Backward. Down, up, 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 down. Then after this, you go down for a third time. This time, how you're gonna do it, you're gonna bring your legs a little bit back. So the way I'm saying is like, so the beginning when you started, it was like this. Now, to make it a little harder, you're gonna put them a little bit back, and then you go down, and then you come up. Always make sure that you keep your back straight. It's very important. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And now you're gonna get up. You're gonna do arm circles for the third time, just like this. 30 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Just stay focused. And then backward. And you're gonna hold them. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then after that, you're gonna go down. Now you're gonna try to execute the main push-up. So the way it's gonna go is we're gonna try the easiest way, right? All fours, just like this. You can put your legs together like this. You can keep them up, but just do it this way, and then you're gonna go down the same way you was doing it with one arm, but the difference is you're not gonna put your elbows down. That's the only difference. Now before you use only one arm to get up, now you have both. The only difference is you're not gonna put all your weight down on the floor. So you're gonna keep yourself there, just like this, and then you push yourself up right there. That's how you're gonna try to do it. So we're gonna try one more time. Now I'm facing the camera. Just like this, down, up. You don't have to stay down there forever. Just as long as you go down, your chest is like very down. You think you went all the way down. Your elbow is like broken to 90-degree angle. You're good to come back up. That's all you need. Or if that one is easy, you can put your legs back a little further. And then you go down and you come back up. Or the regular push-ups that everybody knows, you can literally put your feet flat, then you go down and up, down, you push yourself up. That's all it takes. So guys, this is where we're gonna stop with this little exercise. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. leave us a comment, tell us what you need to see, tell us what we could have done better, and also make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.